Hello guys, welcome back to my videos. So guys, in this video we are taking a quick look to how to fix this kind of cooker error. Your connection is not private, so I'm going to show you how to fix this kind of error. First, the thing is, you can see the three lines. Click on that, go to your histories right over here, and after that clear browser data. Click on that. You will see this box appear. Just go and hit over here all time and over here in advanced. Check this all the options and simply clear data. Click on that. And now what you have to do is just go and search for control panel right over here. Open that. In control panel you can select the medium icon and go to internet and service center. Click on that. Change adapter settings. Click on that. Over here, whatever you are using your internet, go and hit to properties. In properties right over here you can find the option 4 over here. Select this and go to properties. Use this one and you only have to put 8 over here, 8 once again 4 times, and over here 8 8, and over here you have to put 4 and 4 and click OK, and you can close this. And now you can go back and take a look right over here. I open a new tab and now you can see the error is not coming anymore. So guys, it was very simple. So guys, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.